Hello. I'm going to show you how you can add modules and create modules using Desire to Learn or Brightspace. The first thing you're going to want to do is select your desired course. From there, it takes you to the course page, and up here you can see the tab here. Select the Content tab on the menu in order to get you to the overall course content. As you can see, there's a table of contents that will eventually list all the different modules that are there. And in order to add modules, you can select this add module thing right below it, or an add module box here on the table of contents. So first let's click the add module box, and then it'll open up a text so we can type in the name of our first module. We can add other modules as well just by clicking the add module box and typing them in. As you can see, the 8 dots here on the side will allow you to pick up and drag the different modules into each other or around each other. Additionally, you can select each of these modules and add items to them. First here we've got the module title. Here's another way that you can edit it. You can click it and edit, or you can do some other settings here, such as like moving the module around. You can move it down, you can move it to another module, etc. Here you can select restrictions and due dates that you want to add. You can add a description to the module, like maybe there's a big idea for the unit that you have, maybe in week 1 or week 2 or week 3. You can type all that in here, and there's you can add links, different files. You can edit the text different ways. Additionally, if you want to do something like that, you can click the update button, which will update the description or text that you wanted to use. So, but if you want to add an item to the module, then you would click this new button here. And then it'll open up a drop-down box, which will allow you to upload files, video or audio. You can create a file, create a link. You can also create like a new Dropbox, a new discussion, a new quiz, or a new survey here. So let's start with a quiz. So here we can type in our quiz title. We can select whether or not we want to hide it from users, and we can also add our instructions. Once we have added all of our instructions, created our title, then we'll want to go over and click Save. Alright, and this is the actual page for the quiz. It'll allow you to set up the quiz, preview it, as well as edit the dates and restrictions, the instructions, and allow different settings for that individual quiz. Let's go back to week 1. So in addition to just modules, we can also add submodules within modules, and that can be useful for chunking up and organizing content. So let's say we have like 2 different focuses in week 1. Let's say we want to do homework, make that a submodule, and then we want to do quizzes instead of using that one up there. Then we would be able to add individual items to these submodules, just like as if they were our normal overarching modules. So we can add another quiz or add another file, upload a file from an external source, etc. Additionally, if you had another file, you could just drag and drop it here in this box, which is a handy feature. Instead of having to upload it through a menu, you can just take the file you want and drop it in this box here.